Welcome to the next evolution in automated pre-roll production. This is the RS-2000, engineered by Rolling Solutions USA and proudly manufactured in the United States. Designed for high-speed slim pre-roll output, this system redefines what efficiency and consistency look like on a production floor. Right now, slim and micro formats are the fastest-growing category in North America, and nowhere is that more obvious than Canada. The 0.35-gram ready format has taken the Canadian market by storm, turning into a multi-million-dollar segment almost overnight. Consumers love the size, retailers can't keep them stocked, and operators who can produce them at scale are dominating shelf space. The RS-2000 gives you direct access to that momentum. Instead of spending millions on over-engineered systems that require technicians and constant recalibration, the RS-2000 delivers streamlined, operator-friendly automation built for real-world facilities. This machine is your entry point into the fastest-moving format in the industry. At its core, the RS-2000 is a speed machine, pushing up to 1,800 slim pre-rolls per hour with uniform density, clean structure, and extremely consistent output. Whether you're producing 0.35 gram, 0.5 gram, or slim filtered tubes, the RS-2000 maintains accuracy across every run to support true volume scaling. The system accommodates king-size filtered cylinders with an 84mm overall length and a recommended 20mm filter. And thanks to the RS series model lineup, you can match weight ranges to your product portfolio. The Nano supports 0.35 to 0.5 gram formats. The Standard covers 0.75 to 1 gram, and the Blunt Master handles 2 gram fills without compromising structure. Every operator gains full command over density. With adjustable weight and compaction settings built directly into the touchscreen interface, you can fine-tune your airflow, burn profile, and product feel with remarkable accuracy. Every pre-roll comes out consistent, first unit to last unit. The RS-2000 is plug-and-play at its core. A simple 110-volt power connection, 90 psi compressed air at 8 SCFM, and you're operational. The intuitive interface is designed for one-operator management, eliminating the need for engineering support or complicated training. With its US-built construction, precision dosing system, and heavy-duty components, the RS-2000 is engineered to run long hours, long shifts, and long production cycles. It's built to stay consistent, built to stay accurate, and built to handle real commercial demand. If you're ready to step into the fastest-growing format in the market, streamline your workflow, and scale output with confidence, the RS-2000 is your competitive advantage. Contact us today for a live or in-person demo. All contact information is provided in the description below.